how to use Temu coupon bundle. So if you want to use Temu coupon bundle, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Temu application, or you can also go with your browser. On your browser, make sure that you've logged into your Temu, and now you need to just scroll down and then select the items in which you have the offers. So I'll just simply go with a random one. So you have to select eligible items for coupon bundles. Ensure the items in your cart are eligible for the coupon bundle. Some coupons may have restrictions, such as being valid for a specific product or category or minimum order amounts. So just continue browsing, look for any item or product that has the offer bundles. So simply select the product, and after selecting the product, you can go with add to cart, and after that you can go with your cart, and from here you can select the items, and after that go with checkout, which is on the bottom right. And in my case, I've not added the address yet, but if you've added the address, then you just need simply go with continue, and while you go with checkout, then you will have your discount. So it will use your coupon bundle as a discount for that product. So it will automatically apply the coupon bundle if it is valid for the items in your cart. Or if the automatic application doesn't work, then you may need to enter the coupon code manually. So while checking out, you will have the option of apply coupon code. You can just simply tap on apply coupon code and you can enter the coupon code, and after that it will be applied. That's how you can use your Temu coupon bundle, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.